morning from Friedrichshafen. I have here Mr. Edwin, DC9OE, and we're here to talk about some of these new TRX, these radios. So tell us, what is your radio and what sort of project do you have?
Okay, Ria, good morning, and thanks of course for visiting our booth here. And let me talk a little bit about our radio here. Okay, so the whole idea was basically that we built a little radio, and this was 9 years ago. So the idea was we built a little kit for our club and for the youth, the young people in our club, so that they would understand what a radio looks like and how to build it. Unfortunately, like many other projects in the industry, this project went crazy and it became bigger and bigger and bigger. I think you call it scope creep.
Right.
So any project that starts pretty small is growing in an endless way, and we found ourselves at the end with a project which was larger and larger and ended up in a full-blown transceiver. So what we have today is a software-defined radio, a digital transceiver based on StemLab from Red Pitaya. So our core is a 16-bit ADC, 14-bit digital analog converter, and an FPGA. So this is basically the same kind of technology that you find in any other software-defined radio today. So there's not much difference. The difference here with our radio is that we have developed all the hardware and all stuff which goes around the digital part by ourselves. And of course our software is based on open source software. It's Power, SDR and Thetis, and we modify it basically to fit to our hardware. So the whole hardware is controlled by I2C, by an I2C bus internally in the system, and that's why we have to modify the hardware. I don't know if you want to show the...
Yes, so let's show the hardware.
So you see the hardware here. Mm-hmm. Basically the design is done in a way that you can build the whole radio yourself. We provide all the modules. Maybe you can show the modules
yes.
later on the sheet over there. So we provide all the modules, and if you want to build the radio yourself, you can build the radio yourself.
Okay.
But of course, for many people, this is too much of a challenge. And if you want to have it built by us, then of course we build it also.
Okay.
But the purpose is to have an experimental radio. Mm-hmm. Our purpose is not to be in competition with the big manufacturers or anyone else. Our idea is that we have an experimental radio where we can show how the hardware works, and right. we can also show how the software works, and we can use it for educational purposes.
Okay.
That was basically the idea and is still the idea, and that's also the way we want to continue.
Okay, good. So could you tell me like the cost of one of these sets?
Yeah, it depends on what you want to do. You can start very easy with our SDR core, which is the StemLab from Red Pitaya. Mm-hmm. Then you would pay something like €750 for it.
Okay.
But you can also buy the individual modules, which we have shown before, and you can buy the complete transceiver, and then you end up with something like €4,400.
Okay.
So you can start with €700 and you can end up with €4,400, and in between you are free to do whatever you like to do.
So you have like a completely open source modular transceiver.
Yes. I can show you the chassis here.
Yes, let's see the chassis.
So this is what it looks internally.
Right.
So part of the hardware is up here.
Okay.
Part of the hardware is down here. Right. And by the way, there's a very powerful PC inside. The transceiver is a full-blown desktop PC.
Now, what operating system does it run?
It's this one is running Windows 11.
Oh, so it's a Windows. Okay.
It's a brand new version of PC inside. I can show you.
Okay. Ah, okay.
I can show you that it runs Windows 11.
Right.
We have a Core i7 processor in there.
Okay.
We have 1 terabyte of disk in there, and we have 16 gigabyte of memory in there, so you can run any application you want. So
Okay.
any current digital mode or any future digital mode can be put on the machine just as an application. And
Right.
you can see it over here. This machine is
FT8.
just working with FT8. Yes.
Right. Okay. Very interesting. Very good. And what is your website if you have one?
Yes, I have a website. You can see it on my back.
Okay, Charly25, and this is smartradioconcepts.com.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much,
You're welcome.
Edwin, and nice to see you. Good luck.
Yeah, it was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.